The gym is included in the proposed project because of all the activities there. Both community and school-based activities occur in the gym.
The gym in the high school is basically occupied, during the weekends and the evenings. Hundreds of community members come in to enjoy games and concerts.
If approved by voters, the proposed project would commit approximately 20% of the budget to build a new gym. It is truly a gathering place for the community. The gym is the only building many community members and visitors to Winston see in our school district. They form opinions about our ability to maintain our buildings and our ability to provide facilities for our students. By their nature, gyms get a lot of traffic both in locker room areas and out on the floor. At this point, with the age of the structure and the amount of use it receives, maintenance costs have exceeded budgeted amounts for the existing gym. If approved, the proposed gym would have a new floor. It would have new locker rooms and new plumbing. The old gym would remain as a practice gym and a gathering place for the community. If approved and built, a new gym would provide extra space that's covered and heated for more events and provide more options for practice times to our coaches and students. If the measure does not pass, the assessment would not be made and the new gym would not be built.